Alright, in this lecture we're gonna work on the words settings for the package that you actually buy here, okay? So when you see unlock package, whenever you click here, there's a movies package, okay? So we gotta work on this movies package. By the way, as you can see, I did not change the screen for the view controller zip file, but no worries. All the zip files are in the same folder, the screen folder, okay? So no worries. But meanwhile, I need to change this pack. So how do you do this? Pretty straightforward. To unlock the packs, you have to buy them. And I want to change it. I don't want to have movies. I want to have tricks. Okay, so tricks for Halloween. So how do you do this? Same thing that we did before. You go to the words1.json file and just look for the bundle ID. Okay, so look for the word bundle. Okay, so as you can see, bundle ID, this one is empty. There's no bundle name. That means that this is free, okay? But if you click on next, you see that this one has com.mrod.words.package50, okay? So I want you to remove this and write some other ID that you will have for yourself. So I'm going to write com.appsfresh. And I'm going to call unlock word search pack 1. Okay, so word search pack 1. Now I'm gonna copy this, what I just wrote, and I'm gonna paste it somewhere that I remember what the ID is. Okay, so that's the in-app pack, so in-app purchase pack ID. Okay, and I'm gonna write it here. All right, so I want you to do the same thing. Once you have that, obviously I want you to change the information here. The name, I'm not gonna put movies, I'm gonna put tricks. Okay, and obviously I'll have to change the words, the word list, okay, from here and from here too. This pack comes with two lists of words, okay, so make sure you change both of them. And once you're done, make sure you do a product clean and then build, okay, very important. All right, and that's all I want you to do for the words package, the package to buy. See you guys in the next lecture.